Oh shoot. What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serrano's Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I know it's been a while, Carlos. We haven't seen you done any videos. I know, guys. I'm sorry. You know, we have a busy life. But on today's video, guys, is gonna be a fun one in my opinion. Recently, Serrano sauce has been rattling some cages. Serrano sauce has been talked about, right? So on today's video, guys, we're talking about Serrano sauce. If you're new to detailing, hey, make sure you watch this whole video. But for the past couple of years that I've been talking about Serrano sauce, I have been lying to you guys. I myself have been lying to myself. If you know me, you know that I'm not good with dilutions. I eyeball everything, right? But recently, I found this app that helps me with dilutions, and I'm gonna show it to you guys here soon. I found this app that shows dilutions, right? And unfortunately, I have been showing Serrano sauce improperly. So this is the new and updated version of Serrano sauce. Nothing has changed. Recently I did a video with Chris, and you guys saw me mixing it, right? But recently I found out that all this time I haven't been diluting super clean 10-to-1. In reality, I've been diluting Serrano sauce 30-to-1. So I apologize for all these years that I've been saying 10-to-1, 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. We're working on this Tesla, and for those who say that APCs damage interiors, I'm literally gonna, as we're speaking, I'm gonna get you guys up here closer, right? I want to give you guys a true demo, right? We're gonna give you a good demo. I am spraying heavily. I know the professionals say, oh my gosh, don't do that, don't spray a door panel, but we're spraying this door panel, we are cleaning it, we are removing makeup, grime. One of the benefits of Serrano sauce is exactly that. It is amazing when it comes to breaking down makeup, grime, buildup, and just so much more stuff. But for those who don't know what Serrano sauce is, pretty much Serrano sauce used to be super clean 10-to-1, 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. The updated version, the true way it's supposed to be, is super clean 30-to-1 with 8 drops of Dawn dish soap. So much safer. And you're gonna hear the blower really quick, so I do apologize for that, but we're gonna blow this off. And let me bring you guys in very quickly so you guys can see this door panel. Now you tell me, do you see any staining in here? If this product so-called stains plastic, damages plastics, this thing here would be white already. We're about 90 degrees today. Overcast, but it is sunny as well. But by now, you would see this product create some sort of damage. So, this is the perfect product for a lot of detailers who are just starting in their business and are looking for something that won't break the bank, right? Serrano sauce is exactly that. It is a product that will not break the bank. Again, when used properly, this APC is amazing. You can use it on plastic. You can use this on vegan leather or leather, whatever the case may be. Serrano sauce is gonna get it clean. It's not gonna stain your plastic. The Dawn dish soap, what it does in theory, just adds a little bit of lubrication, but as well, it also cleans and cuts grime really, really good. So, and really quickly, this side here is not clean yet. This side here has been cleaned and it's now drying off. So I like to showcase it in this form so you truly see that, you know, it's not dry. So I'm letting the product just kind of take its course. I've cleaned it, I've wiped it, so now it's just drying off. Just look at that finish though. So for those who have been talking about the sauce, trust me when I say no harm is done to an interior. That's a fact. Now, one of the main things I know a lot of you guys are gonna say, especially the professionals, well, you can buy this product and it's safer, you know, it's made exactly for that material, that area, right, and so forth. And that's all great, guys. But the point of this video is to showcase a product that is looked down upon by the professionals, by individuals who think that their way is the only way, right? There is more than one way to detail a vehicle. Now, what I showcase may not be for everybody, and that's okay. But the results are gonna speak for themselves. Serrano sauce has been used by so many people. And if you have used Serrano sauce, let me know in the comment section. What's your honest input? Has it helped your business? What scenarios have you enjoyed using Serrano sauce and so forth, right? Because I want to know. And as well, maybe newcomers in this business want to know also, like, you know, how have you liked it, right? Has it stained your materials? Has it damaged your interiors? Like so many detailers, professional detailers tend to say, right? But I'm here to prove to you today that Serrano sauce does not damage interiors. Now, I know there's a lot of detailers out there, professionals, that say, oh my gosh, I don't like spraying my door panels because it's gonna stain. Let me tell you guys, one of the reasons I don't like doing this method, because you're not gonna clean a dirty panel by just spraying your towel. That's just my opinion, right? You have to spray your interior cleaner or your product to really saturate that material, get into the material and clean it. Hey, this tool so far has been putting in work. It hasn't failed yet, guys. It hasn't failed yet. For today's project, this is the sauce package. They're new customers, referrals. So I'm actually cleaning the leather today. Usually this package does not include the leather clean. It just includes like a good like a dust off, if that makes sense. But hey, new customers, we gotta make sure we wow them. And hopefully they come back. The beauty of Serrano sauce is it can be used in more than just one area. You can use Serrano sauce on your door panels. You can use it as a pre-spray if you want to do a pre-spray on your carpet, right? For those stains. You can be used as a headliner cleaner. You can be used as a spot, like a spot cleaner. Multiple ways that you can use Serrano sauce. Not only on interiors though, but you can also use this on your exterior, such as engine bay cleaning, right? Usually for engine base, I will go about like 50-50 or 1-to-1, just because it's a little bit more aggressive. I'll use it 1-to-1 as well on like my tires, to really remove some of that grime if you can't afford like a more dedicated product to clean wheels. The scenarios are endless, guys, when it comes to that Serrano sauce. It is the perfect product for those who are just starting in their business, who maybe their finances are not all there yet, but they want to still provide a good service to the customer without breaking the bank. Super clean is usually around like $12 here in Dallas, a gallon, and all you need is 30 ounces of this product to a 32-ounce bottle. So it's a no-brainer. So I hope this video kind of showcased, or at least showed you guys, that Serrano sauce won't damage interiors. And this, I've used it in so many different scenarios, so many different make and models, and I get the same results. So as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.